Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Friends, are you also upgrading iOS 17 to iOS 18? Are you having iPhone touchscreen not working after updating? Is the touch screen only working sometimes, or not at all? This can be annoying, but don't worry, this video will help you solve the problems mentioned above. Method 1. Hard reset your iPhone. For iPhone 8 and later versions, press volume up and then volume down buttons, then hold power button, wait until you see the Apple logo, then let go. When your device boots back up, most of the time, everything will be back to normal at this point. Rebooting your device may fix this issue. Method 2. Using repair tool iMyFone Fixppo. Fixppo can fix iPhone touchscreen not working in iOS 18 and no data will be erased. Let me show you. Step 1. Click the link in the description below and download iMyFone Fixppo on your computer, launch the program. And connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Step 2. Click the Start Repair button and choose Standard Mode. Step 3. Enter Recovery Mode or DFU mode. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your iPhone into DFU or recovery mode. For iPhone 8 and above, instantly click and release the volume up key and then the volume down key. Press and hold the side button until you see this. Step 4. Confirm your device details and download the appropriate firmware pack/BGE suggested by Fixppo. Once the firmware is downloaded, click on Start Standard Repair to initiate the system repair process. After the repair is complete, your iPhone will restart. Now let's check if the touch screen on your phone is working properly. Look, it's fixed, so amazing. Method 3. Reset all settings. Go to Settings, find General, scroll to the bottom, click on Transfer and Reset iPhone, and then click Reset. From the options, choose Reset all settings. Enter your passcode and wait for your iPhone to restart. After rebooting, check if the touch screen is smooth and responsive. Method 4. Factory reset your iPhone. You can also try a factory reset. Before you reset, make sure to back up your data either using iTunes or iCloud. Next, go through these steps. Go to Settings on your device. Tap General. Tap Reset. Tap Erase all content and settings. You will be asked for your passcode as well as your Apple ID. Enter it. Then all the data and settings on your iPhone will be erased. This method might work. That's all for today's video. Remember to subscribe to our channel. If you found these tips helpful, share them with your friends. See you next time.